Cases of the Guillain-Barré syndrome or GBS, a rare autoimmune nerve disorder, have been rising in Pune. Now, on January 20th, three major hospitals hit the alarm when they found 25 patients being admitted with cases of GBS among them. Now, Campylobacter jejuni as well as norovirus have been found in patient samples in the city. Both of these can, of course, trigger GBS, but it's the Campylobacter that accounts for about 1/3 of the cases worldwide. And in fact, GBS caused by this Campylobacter is considered to be severe. But let's first go and understand what GBS really is. GBS occurs when the immune system, while on overdrive against a bacterial or viral infection, attacks the peripheral nerves, leading to numbness, muscle weakness, and in severe cases, paralysis. This infection caused by the Campylobacter jejuni typically manifests as diarrhea, abdominal cramps, fever, nausea, and vomiting. Symptoms usually appear 2 to 5 days after exposure and last for almost a week. Initial symptoms include weakness or tingling sensations starting in the legs and spreading to the arms and face. It progressively causes difficulty in walking, limb paralysis, and muscle coordination issues. In severe cases, it causes paralysis of respiratory muscles requiring ventilator support. About 80% of the GBS cases have been found in the newly merged areas of the city. And what authorities are doing at this point in time is finding out what could perhaps be the cause of GBS. A thorough investigation of the water supply is underway. They're also investigating food hygiene as a possible cause of GBS. Now, essentially, health experts are of the view that contaminated food as well as water could cause GBS, and therefore they're urging residents to boil water before consuming. Now, since Campylobacter jejuni can survive in water and at cold temperatures as well, which means that even refrigerated food should be heated up before consuming. GBS is treatable, but the treatment can be expensive with long recovery in some cases. One family the Times of India spoke to said that they've already spent 4 lakh rupees on treatment so far. Two key treatments for GBS are plasmapheresis and IVIG. Do remember, GBS is not contagious and a majority of patients recover fully within 6 months of discharge. Pick up a copy of our latest newspaper or log on to our website for any additional news updates.